It's a terrible monkey impression. But my name is Eric Michael Walther, the Tech Mind, here to talk today to you about MailChimp. Let's get right to it. Wait, I'm here live. I'm not a bear. Just kidding. All right, if you didn't know, MailChimp is an email marketing software system that's amazing. You can do lots and lots of stuff with MailChimp. They do have a free version, and of course, they also have paid versions, paid for versions. So let me show you some little comparison real quick. So like with the free version, you get the email builder and the CRM, and you can build forums and landing pages. You get the creative assistant, which is really cool. I'm going to show you. And you get the website builder and a MailChimp domain. So the free version here gives you 2,000 contacts, and you can send up to 10,000 emails per month with a daily limit of, again, 2,000. So if you have a bigger audience, it's more than 2,000, you'll need to get their paid for version. But let me show you still, you get all of this stuff with the free version. So you get the email, you get the one-step automations, you get one audience, up to 2,000 contacts, and they give you this marketing platform that helps you build landing pages, social postings, ads, postcards, surveys even. The creative assistant, which is super cool. Oh my gosh, this is basically AI, artificial intelligence. It is the first AI-powered design tool in a major online marketing platform that makes beautiful multi-channel designs for you. See how we can create designs that give you a professional look and help drive engagement. And let me tell you what I'm talking about real quick. So basically all they had me do was enter in my URL right here. And the artificial intelligence went and took a look at my website and produced these designs for me. And look at these are great. This one, not so much with the picture, but these three are amazing. I will definitely use those. That's awesome. Welcome to the Eric Michael Show. Book your free tech strategy session. Anyhow, back to MailChimp. Let me show you all the cool things that you can do with MailChimp. So they'll help you with email, help you with customer journeys. Now you will have to have the paid for version to enable these workflows and some of these automatic systems. So for example, like somebody subscribes to your list and you send them a welcome page. Thank you for subscribing. Would you like to download this? And then they have a yes or a no. So then they can have different paths. So if they selected yes, then you can send them this email. If they selected no, then you can send them this email, and so forth. MailChimp will help you build landing pages, multi-channel designs, keeping your branding similar and the same across the board. So like I've got all these different blues as my theme. So you'll want to keep that going. It'll help you build up sign-up forms where people can sign up and subscribe to your email list. You can create surveys, which are simple and look like this. So basically walk you through and you type in whatever question. What kind of video tutorials would you like to see? What tech issues do you need help with? And I simply put in my banner right here by replacing the branding. But let's say I wanted to get that in there. There it is popping up right here. Let's say I want, let's say I wanted to, bold that and underline that or not. So simple. And then here you have my button. Thank you, we appreciate your feedback. Once somebody submits, that's a confirmation message that they'll get. Down here in styles, as you can mess with the colors. As you can see, this does not fit with my color scheme. So I'm going to change this, but let me show you how simple this is. So I'm gonna go with my very light blue, like such, and that put it on the background. And for the button color, let's see what looks good. So the blue, royal blue would be like this one. That looks good, I like it. Or maybe I should do navy to match it with that. So I can go right back down here and try to look for a darker shade for my navy. And it was a lot darker than that. Anyway, the point is you can mess with the color and then button text color. So if I wanted to change to that white in there, we can make it like red, for example. But that looks terrible, so I'm going to change it back. But you see how easy you can do this stuff, and then you would just click up here, review and finalize, or you can finish later, which I'll hit finish later because I will want to touch that up a bit. And you can create these sign up forms. So basically we put this on your website and then people can sign up and they will be added to your subscriber list. So it has form builder, embedded forms where you can easily put it into your website. If you need help on this, you can book a free tech strategy session with me and I can help you. Tags are how you can organize your audience. You can put different tags on them. So I have friends, or I have a group called Life on Fire. Shout out to Life on Fire. Whoop, whoop. Segments. Segments is another organizational system where you can target subscribers by location, engagement, activity, and more. You can click those surveys here that I showed you, and here's my untitled survey. It pops up right there. You can also create ads, social posts, and postcards, all for free. All for free. All for free. MailChimp is amazing. They have these automations to help you save time so that you don't have to send individual emails to your customers when each of these things happens. You can set up automations so they'll be sent automatically. You can create websites on MailChimp. You see here, I did one for a YouTube challenge that I had back in April 12th. So here's my little site for that. Let me pull it up and show you, I guess. It's really simple. You receive a template and you just replace things as you see fit. Are you ready for the YouTube challenge? And here's a button to my website. Put me on the list for the free challenge. Stuff is really easy and simple to do and essential for your business. And it is essential for your business. You can also connect your domains, which is a little more advanced, so I won't get into that now, but if you need help with it, just message me. And I guess that's about it for the basics. Integrations here, you can integrate MailChimp so that it'll connect with a bunch of different stuff that you use: Facebook, Twitter, Google, SurveyMonkey, all these different things. WordPress, if you have a WordPress, you can put your website on there like I have done. Canva, Photoshop, they've got lots of different stuff and they're always adding more. And then, you got your website builder. This content studio here will house all your logos and files that you've uploaded. One more quick look at the different plans that you can get. Remember, you get up to 2,000 contacts, 2,000 emails sent daily, 10,000 a month with the free version. You can only have one audience, but if you want to go up to the next one, it just starts at $10 a month. And you will get all these other things here. Hope you guys learned something. Have fun using MailChimp. Let me know if you need more help. And God bless. All right, catch you later.